Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you some statistic of my one of my ADMOB account. Okay, is you know that most of you will say that we can't earn from ADMOB because of aid limit issues. Okay, so I'm here with the sample. Okay, so that I can make you sure that I'm earning a bit money from ADMOB. Okay, and I'm running multiple accounts, okay, on the same platform. Okay, due to there is no ADMOB account has been suspended yet on my laptop. Okay, so that's why I am running multiple accounts, and is my IP is not blacklisted, so that's why. Now my purpose of making this video is to make you people aware that you can earn a bit money from AirMob. Like if you implement aids in a way, in a perfect way, okay, so aid limit will not bother you in future. Okay, so as you can see, like today I earned $34. Okay, and there will be, like in this video I will show you the statistic of today as well as yesterday, last 7 days and last 28 days, and you will see some detailed statistic so that you will be like the main purpose is to motivate you people. Okay, uh, in our case, most of you, what they do is they just put all the aids, like they put a lot of aid implement aids in a wrong way in their application, so that's why they receive air limit issues. Okay, but if you like follow my steps to implement aids in your project, so I think you won't get any aid limit issues in the future. Okay, so when I implement aids in my application, okay, I'm like using aid more from last 6-7 months. Okay, like with no issues, with no aid limit issues. Aid limit issues will bother you once you create invalid traffic. Now what's invalid traffic? We will talk about the invalid traffic, and we will talk about all the aspects that are need for you to understand how we can like rid of from this aid limit issues. Now the first thing I want to talk about is what is invalid traffic. I have already talked about it in my previous videos, but I don't think, like some of you commented that it is useless and kind of things. So that's why I'm making this video, to make you people like aware that actually I am following my experience. Okay, and I am earning a bit money from that. So previously I was a little bit disappointed, and that's why I didn't upload any video for a long time. Like I think it is more than 5 months that I did not upload any video. That's all because of you people demotivate me a bit, that I am like telling something wrong to you people. But now I feel that I can ignore those people, and I just continue to build your thinking as well, your experience as well. Okay, so what is invalid traffic? Now the invalid traffic is, like, try to understand. If you are making an application, you need to follow me, or you need to follow me, like, see, if you are making an application what you do is you put aids in all of your activities. Okay, like the first the splash activity, main activity, and some other detail activities, you put aids in all the activities. Now that is the main mistake that you people do. And also like, see, when an application is opened, okay, so what you people do is you load a banner ad, you also load native ads in your recycler views. Okay, and also you people what you do is also load interstitial ad. And now on the same time, what is happening is, on the same time your ADMOB is receiving 3 aid requests or multiple aid requests, okay, on the same time, okay. So that is the main thing you people do, is called invalid traffic, okay. So now how you can like you can work with ADMOB to avoid these kind of things is, what you need to do is you will need to work only with interstitial ads, okay. Forget about banner ads and forget about the native ads. Why? Because the native and banner ads are a kind of ads. When you load banner ad in a first activity and go to second activity, so that banner ad is basically running in the background, okay. So it is storing in the cache, okay. You may know the cache memory, okay, if you are like Android developer, so you may know cache memory. So what is happening is, like, if you are working with the native ads, okay, so now what is happening when you load all the assets of native ad, okay, and you move to another activity or you back from some activity, so these native ads, all the assets that was loaded are in the cache memory, stored in the cache memory. So that is the main problem why we like constantly continuously basically receiving the air limit issues. So I suggest you people that work with the interstitial ad, only one and only interstitial ads, and I'm working with only interstitial ads, and you can see the statistic. Now it is last 7 days statistic, okay, a bit spike there, and you can see then how many requests and how many earnings are there, okay. So this is a bit motivated for you people, and if you want me to like do kind of things to like do ads integration in a project, okay, so you can contact me on Fiverr. My price, my like, there is a bit expensive if you like if you buying something from me, okay, but it is like for your future and it is for your income, okay. So you can contact me on Fiverr. My account is my account ID is basically Tousifijaz, TOUSEEFIJAZ 665, okay. So you can contact me on Fiverr, and if you want to contact me on like if you want to talk to me on any other source, any other platform, so you can mention your ID, Facebook ID, okay. Yeah, or you can comment, so I will share my Facebook ID to you people. So let's see some statistic of last 28 days, okay. Like, I can't explain a whole of my experience in just 9 minutes, okay. So the thing I like, the main thing, the major things that you people do, I already cleared. See, most of our people, what they do is they are like, they kind of happy to have a lot of aid requests in the ADMOB, like they want to see a lot of aid requests, and they usually people commenting me that we have 1 lakh request, 1,000 request in an hour or in a second in a minute basically. So I don't know why they happy to have that kind of aid request, like 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3, 1 million aid request, okay. So if you have 1 million aid request and there is aid limit, so it will not be beneficial for you, okay. So keep reducing your aid request and make them pure for you, okay. So as you can see, like you have seen my ADMOB account, it is one of my ADMOB account. I can't share because of some reasons, but subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, just put a comment as well, and I will upload daily a video on these kind of topics. So see you in the next video. Tomorrow I will upload a plugin video. So see you, goodbye.